The earliest memories of my Uncle Al is him bringing Christmas gifts to the house. He was tall, skinny, and wore glasses. He was also a really good photographer, and in many ways, my earliest filmmaking mentor. It wasn't until later in life that I found out he was a lawyer who helped over 3,000 African Americans pass the bar for free. Only 66% of first-time African American California bar test takers passed the test on the first try, compared to 76% Hispanic and 88% white.
Al Jenkins, going on 86 years old, retired Deputy District Attorney.
Hi, my name is Melissa Gibson.
And where are we and what are we doing here?
We are at my law school. We are at Trinity Law School, and I am in the last days prepping for the bar.
How many years have you been tutoring students to pass the bar?
Since 1976.
If you cannot exercise self-discipline, maybe you can do something else with your life, but you will not become an attorney.
Recite them over and over and over again until you know the elements so well you can immediately and automatically recite them without thought.
Warrant must name the suspects that you're thinking committed it. Warrant must describe with particularity the subject or conversation that can be surveilled. Surveillance must be limited to short-term period of time.
One thing is absolutely certain. You cannot pass the bar if you do not know the law.
I work in the Compton Courthouse. Al called to check on me, and I told him that I was under the weather and I was laying out on the sofa.
I advised her that she had the rest of her life to be sick and that she should get her butt up off the couch and learn some law.
And that was effective because I did pass the bar the first time.
There was one occasion when I was called for jury duty and to the Inglewood Court. And when I entered the courtroom, I was surprised and happy to see that I had tutored the public defender, the prosecutor, and the judge in that particular case. And as you can imagine, I was laughing and they were laughing, and all the other jurors and the bailiff were wondering what we found so funny. And needless to say, I did not sit on that trial.
Like, who realistically can afford this?
Nobody, unless your mama and your daddy got some bread to...
And who mama and daddy got bread that look like us?
Your face. Get off my phone.
Okay.
California, I turned in all my stuff on time. I was not late. Everything was like, I didn't get any late fees. It was $1,600 to sit for the test. No, he didn't take proper notice of...
So you have to say if he didn't do it.
If he didn't take proper notice.
Not proper darn notice? What is the...
Didn't act as an ordinarily prudent person.
What is the business judgment rule?
It's funny because I saw someone with a shirt. And it said, sitting for the bar is like riding a bike, except the bike is on fire.
No one in history is responsible for more African Americans becoming lawyers and judges than Al Jenkins. This story has got to be told, and it's got to be told now.